อาหารเช้าที่เท็กซัสนะคะนี่หน้าตาก็จะประมาณนี้นะกาแฟสวัสดีค่ะทุกคนเจอกันอีกแล้วนะคะวันนี้วันที่2ที่เราอยู่ที่เท็กซัสวันนี้ตื่นแต่เช้าแล้วก็ไปเอารถแล้วก็พาหลานไปเที่ยวสวนฟาร์มสัตว์นะคะไปให้อาหารสัตว์หลานเขาชอบสัตว์ค่ะไปกันเลยค่ะ Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! See, go grandpa! Go to grandpa! Oh. She's scared. She's scared, grandpa. Yeah.
You like the birds?
You're not supposed to feed the bird. You feed the animal.
Oh.
Hey, look at that. They all follow. Oh, they're going, guys. Where we go next? Where we go next? Grandpa has some. She wants you to hold. She said, I'm not working, Grandpa. What we want to go see? Huh? What we want to go see, Harry? There's a lot of birds.
Go and pet him?
Oh!
Like, I know how to get that whole bag.
Oh my goodness, you got it the whole bag.
Got the whole bag.
Now the birds go for it. Oh.
You pet this.
She more interested on the bird. She afraid.
Little birdies.
Oh.
Piece of corn.
Ooh, ooh.
You want to feed that guy that corn? Hey, buddy. There you go. Nice job.
She want to get some more corn.
You want to feed him some more? Look. 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 Uh-oh, dropped it.
Should I get on the floor more?
Hey, bud. Corn? Nope. Hi, buddy.
Hi there. Hi, buddy. Oh, you want food too? Okay. Are you taking picture of somebody or? Yes.
You and Irie.
Yeah. Here, Ivy, here. Here, give it to him. Hi. Come on, baby.
Oh, where are you going? How am I going to get your picture?
White bird everywhere. Oh,
Uh-oh. Are you tired?
so I'm sitting here.
Hey, let's go see the goats.
Whoa. Water. Goats. More goats to feed.
Wait, are you the same goats he just
No, he's over there.
All right. There you go. You're gonna feed a little baby one. Yeah, little fella.
Look at him, Dad. Harry said, oh no, no duck.
Gotta watch the ducks. Yeah. Gotta watch the ducks. Should we go over to the water? Should we walk around the lake? Let's walk around the lake. Oh, you want? Okay.
สวัสดีค่ะ วันนี้มาเที่ยวฟาร์มสัตว์นะคะ goat หลานสาวน้ำ see goatนกตามอาหารจ้าไปCome to Grandma. Come on. Ivy, come to Grandma. Oh, you sit down? Are you tired? You don't want to walk anymore?
There's a bench over there we go sit on.
There's a bird. The bird's following you. Ooh, look. Catch it. Catch it. Oh.
That bird in between you and me and the food.
Oh, he said, no. Grandpa, help. Grandpa, help. Grandpa, help. She sit on your shoes.
Can we carry you? Now what?
Now what?
Go over here and sit. Watch the water.
All right, let's go. Oh, look at the deer over there, hiding. What is it here? It's hiding. Hiding on a shed. One lay down right there. Oh, reindeer.
You guys are black.
It's a reindeer. Yeah. Yeah. It's a reindeer. It's a reindeer. Can you call them? Can you call them reindeer?
I got burped.
I know.เป็ดว่ายน้ำน้ำใสๆเดี๋ยวใสๆมีปลาไหมเนี่ย Look at the duckling. Look at the duckling. What? Oh, should I sit? Look here. Duck. Say duck. Say duck. Duck. Oh. There go duckling. Bye bye, duckling. Yeah. Oh, there she go. There she go. Oh. Grandpa, you better catch her.
Yeah.
Oh, duck's gone.
Come back.
Yeah.
Come back, duck. Oh, I think we scared him.
Oh, they're back. They're back.
We left the door. We left
Is
the
it
door,
okay?
though.
The duck gets too close.
Oh, can you get some more?
Get some more corn for the duck? Hey, peacock.
Hey, guys.
Peacock.
Come to see what fresh corn we got. Oh, sorry.
Go closer. There you go.
Yeah. You like that?
Peacock's leaving. Oh, she said she want up.
Joe one?
Yeah. Oh, for Grandma? Thank you. Yeah? Let's go throw for Peacock. Yeah.
All right. I don't think they're too hungry.
สำหรับวันนี้ก็ขอจบเพียงแค่นี้ก่อนนะคะ ขอบคุณที่ติดตามรับชม อย่าลืมกดไลค์ กดแชร์ กด subscribe ให้ด้วยนะคะ สวัสดีค่ะ